War room, eyes on the screen. Today, we are not starting with the king. We are deploying directly to the hottest zone, Ethereum. Why? Because while the charts are selling you fear, the data is whispering a massive opportunity. Look closely at the graph. The candles are bleeding, the bears are pushing, and Ethereum wicked down to $2,876, creating a new low. Everyone is screaming, we are crashing, right? But now look at the basement, the RSI indicator. While the price went lower, the RSI made a higher low around level 27 and is curling up. The general calls this positive divergence, bullish divergence. This is one of the most powerful reversal signals in technical analysis. The sellers are trying to push, but the momentum is gone. Their ammo is empty. This divergence screams, I am ready to turn. Zooming out to the big picture, we see this reversal is no coincidence. Look at this black rising trend line on the daily chart. The price has respected this line for months, and today we are sitting exactly on the fortress wall at $2,880. The 4-hour divergence combined with this daily trend support leaves us with one clear strategy. This is not the place to panic. This is the place to plan. Soldiers, the charts gave us the signal, but this screen gives us the confirmation. We needed to see blood to confirm the bottom. And here it is. Look at the liquidation data. In just the last few hours, $35 million of long positions have been totally wiped out. Compare that to the shorts, barely $500,000. The ratio is brutal. 99% of the liquidations are longs. What does this mean? This is a leverage flush. The market maker has hunted down every single impatient, over-leveraged bull. The weekends are gone. The train is finally light. When you combine this capitulation data with the positive divergence on the chart, the conclusion is clear. The fuel tank is full and the passengers are kicked out. Ethereum is ready for takeoff. But Ethereum cannot win this war alone. It needs the king's permission and the castle's defense. Is Bitcoin holding the line? And is BNB ready to support the rally? Let's check the majors. Now we move to the castle, the fortress, Binance Coin, BNB. While the rest of the market shakes, BNB shows us where the real support lies. Look at this massive weekly chart. The price dropped exactly into our golden buy zone, this pink box, and, more importantly, it tapped the yellow EMA 50 perfectly at $827. Do you see that long wick leaving the zone? That is institutional demand. The whales defended the $827 level with an iron fist. As long as this weekly EMA holds, the trend is not broken. It is just reloading. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, the signal matches Ethereum perfectly. We are currently trading at $870, but look at the indicators. They are screaming oversold. RSI, it has crashed down to 29.53. This is deep oversold territory. Stock, RSI, look at this. It is sitting at 4.61. It is literally on the floor. The strategy. You do not short a coin when the stock RSI is at 4 and the weekly support is holding. This is a spring being compressed. BNB is ready to snap back up. So, Ethereum gave us the divergence. BNB showed us the weekly support at $827. The generals are ready, but we cannot march without the king. Bitcoin. Is BTC safe or is this a trap? Send the Bitcoin chart right now. Let's finish this. And finally, we stand before the king. Bitcoin. Does the king approve this reversal? The answer is on the 4-hour chart. Soldiers, look closely. Just like Ethereum, Bitcoin is flashing the exact same positive divergence. The price dropped to $87,560, making a lower low to scare the retail investors. But the RSI, it refused to drop. It is holding the line, building momentum for a bounce. When the king and the commander, ETH, both show positive divergence at the same time, you do not bet against them. And here is the fuel for the rocket. Look at the liquidation heat map. In just 4 hours, $39 million of long positions were slaughtered. The long rate is 98.5%, meaning almost everyone who bet early is dead. The market is now light. The leverage is flushed. The path of least resistance is UP. On the daily time frame, the structure remains broken? No. Bitcoin simply came down to test this massive black trend line. We are trading at $87,900, exactly on support. As long as this line holds, the bull market is alive and well. Mission summary. Let's recap the strategy. We have a triple confirmation. Ethereum, ETH, flashed a massive 4-hour positive divergence and held the daily trend. Binance Coin, BNB, defended the weekly support and is deeply oversold. Bitcoin, BTC, confirmed the divergence and flushed $40 million of leverage to lighten the ship. The verdict: the crash was a trap. The flush was necessary. The indicators are screaming reversal. This is not the time to run. This is the time to position yourself. Soldiers, you have the intel. You have the targets. Do not let the red candles shake your conviction. Trust the data, not the noise. Watch that Ethereum divergence closely. We strike when the crowd is fearful. War room. Dismissed.